Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach and welcome to my latest listing, this charming 2-bedroom bungalow. Now this home has been tastefully updated over the years, but I wanted to highlight that although this main floor only has 2 bedrooms, they're both a really good size. In the lower level, it's partially finished with a 3rd bedroom and half bath. This updated kitchen, the bathroom, and hardwood floors throughout the main floor are just some of the features that you'll find here. If you have any questions or you'd like to arrange a private tour, please feel free to reach out with the information that you'll find at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.